Take it from me, Gachagua assures opposition allies what he is ready to fulfill to secure 2027 win. Image file of Wiper Party leader Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka speaking to Honorable Rigathi Gachagua during a pastime. Former and impeached Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, has entered of an electrifying tussle in the 2027 general election after vowing to tilt all the votes from the vote-rich Mount Kenya region in favor of the United Opposition Alliance. While speaking Tuesday 9th December 2025 during the burial service of Albert Karuithi Macharia in Ithanga, Murang'a County, Rigathi Gachagua made a vow that he will ensure no vote from Mount Kenya is lost in bid to guarantee a fierce battle in 2027 general election that will give President William Ruto a run for his money and a possible ouster from power. This election that is coming, I want to assure you, Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, take it from me, speaking from the mountain, Murang'a, all the votes from this region will go in one basket, Rigathi Gachagua promised while making his remarks. Subscribe EBK for more information.